Running a seasonal promotion? Want to reward returning travelers or give a discount code to your email subscribers? Instead of manually adjusting trip prices, WP Travel Engine lets you create coupon codes travelers can apply right at checkout, with full control over the discount amount, which trips it applies to, and when it's valid. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a coupon from start to finish, and how it looks for travelers on the front end. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, click on WP Travel Engine in the left sidebar, then click on Coupons. This takes you to the Coupons list page, where all your existing coupons will show up once you've created them. Click Add New Coupon at the top to open the coupon creation screen. The first field you'll see is Coupon Name. This is just for your reference, since travelers never see it, so give it something clear. Next is Coupon Code. This is the actual code travelers will type in at checkout, so keep it short and memorable. It needs to be unique across all your coupons. Keep in mind, the code isn't case sensitive for travelers, but whatever format you enter here is how it'll display. Now let's set the discount itself. Under Discount Type, you have two options, Fixed or Percentage. Choose Fixed if you want to subtract a set dollar amount from the total, or Percentage if you'd rather take off a percentage of the total price. Once you pick one, a new field appears below asking for the amount or percentage. Enter your value there. Below Discount Type is Allow Coupon Use For. Click the Select Trips drop-down, and you can search and select one or more specific trips to restrict this coupon to. Leave it blank if you want the coupon to apply across every trip on your site. Next, you'll set the coupon start date and coupon expiry date. The start date is when the coupon becomes usable. If you leave it blank, it defaults to the day you created it. The expiry date is when it stops working. If you're running a time-limited promotion, always set an expiry date, since a coupon left without one stays active indefinitely. By default, a coupon works no matter when the trip departs. If you only want it to apply to trips departing within a certain window, toggle on Trip Date Restriction. Two fields will appear, Trip Starts After and Trip Starts Before. Set these to define the departure window the coupon applies to. I'll show you exactly how this works with a real example later in the video. Next is Coupon Usage Limit. Enter a number here if you want to cap how many times the coupon can be redeemed in total. Once that limit is hit, the coupon stops working automatically. Leave it blank for unlimited use. Finally, if you want to promote this coupon across your entire site, toggle on Site-Wide Banner. This displays a promotional bar on every page. In the banner message field, write your promotional text and use the placeholders code and value. These automatically get replaced with your actual coupon code and discount amount when the banner shows up. Then pick a background color and text color. Choose colors that stand out against your header so travelers actually notice the offer. Once everything's set, click Save Coupon at the bottom to make it live. Now let's see how this works for your travelers. Since we enabled the site-wide banner, it appears as an orange bar at the very top of the site, above the header on every page. It shows a bell icon alongside our message, with a close icon on the right so travelers can dismiss it if they want. Since we've restricted this coupon to only 2 specific trips, let's open one of those trips to see it in action. They'll see the trip details as usual. From here, they'd continue into the booking flow and reach checkout. On the right side of the order summary, there's a Have a Coupon Code field with a text box and an Apply button next to it. The traveler types in the code and clicks Apply. Once applied, a confirmation message appears at the top of the summary showing exactly how much they saved, along with the coupon code and percentage applied, and an option to remove it if needed. Now, if you only want this discount to apply during a specific travel season, say only for trips departing between November and December, that's where the trip date restriction setting comes in. Let's go set that up. Let's go back into the coupon settings. I'll toggle on Trip Date Restriction, then set Trip Starts After to the 1st of November 2026. And Trip Starts Before to the 31st of December 2026. Once I click Save Coupon, this coupon will only work on trips departing within that window, regardless of when the traveler actually books. So even though it's July right now, if a traveler books today for a trip departing in November or December, the coupon still applies. Let's test this on the front end. I'll go through the booking flow and select a departure date that falls within November or December. At checkout, I'll enter the code in the coupon field and click Apply. As you can see, the discount goes through, the confirmation message shows how much we saved, and the total updates accordingly, since the departure date falls inside our set window. Now let's try the opposite. I'll go back and select a departure date outside that window, say in July, then enter the same code at checkout and click Apply. This time, the coupon doesn't apply, since the trip's departure date falls outside the November to December window we set. This is a great way to run promotions tied to a specific season or travel period without worrying about travelers applying the discount to trips outside that window. And that's it! A couple of things worth knowing: only one coupon can be applied per booking, and expired coupons don't disappear. They just show up as inactive on your coupons list, so you can reactivate or delete them anytime. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more WP Travel Engine tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We're here to help. You can also reach our support team using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.